I'm not a wallpaper pro here, but one of the tricks is here is you want to get this really even. But the nice thing about this peel and stick wallpaper is if you make a mistake, you can just pull it back off and restick it. So if you're not very experienced, this is a really good way to get some decorations in your house. I've been wanting to do some decorating in the bathroom. In particular, I wanted to put a frame around the mirror right here, but putting up a frame can be a real chore. So luckily there's a solution. I got this peel and stick wallpaper sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. All right, let's go ahead and put this stuff on the mirror and see how it looks. I just measured this piece along the bottom here, and then I just went ahead and got this lined up here so it looks like it'll fit pretty good. Just gonna go ahead and peel it off here. See how this comes apart here. So it just peels like this. It's just peel and stick. So I can just go ahead and peel it off. I'm just gonna start a little bit at a time here. Just gonna get this lined up over here on the edge. Make sure I didn't pull it too far over so it makes it to the other end there. Looks like I went a little too far, so it comes off here. You make a mistake. That looks pretty good right there. I'll just go ahead and run it along there now. Just pull this off right here. Don't need that little piece of tape on there. All right, I got this piece down here. That looks really nice. I'm just going to measure up a piece for the top up here, and then I'll put the two pieces on the side. I'm not a wallpaper pro here, but one of the tricks is here is you want to get this really even. But the nice thing about this peel and stick wallpaper is if you make a mistake, you can just pull it back off and restick it. So if you're not very experienced, this is a really good way to get some decorations in your house. And then that way you'll line up here at the end. There. And then same thing over here. If you're off a little bit, you can fold this over here. So it looks like it's one solid piece of wood instead of just wallpaper stuck over glass. Now I just got the side piece on here. I just pulled it down here and then cut it along there with the scissors to get it in place. And now I can just kind of unpeel it here. Yeah, the tricky part is just getting it to line up right on the edges. And but like I said, if you don't know a lot about wallpapering and you're not very experienced, this is a great way to learn. And this looks really nice. It feels really good too. It's got a nice wood grain feel there. So yeah, you can see how nice this looks. I'm just going to go ahead and cut one more piece and put it over here. But yeah, this has really transformed this room and made it look really nice, really stylish here with this wood grain. This nice wood frame around the mirror here. Just going to let that go down to the bottom, and I'll start taping this here, and then I'll just cut this bottom part right here. So yeah, it's just a matter of lining that up and smoothing it out, and then when I get down to this part right here, I'll just cut this with the scissors there. Get the bubbles out there, kind of push it all in by hand here. And then if you ever decide in the future you don't like it and you want to change your color, it's pretty easy to take off. But yeah, I think it looks nice with the wood cabinets that we have here in the bathroom. The color looks really good together. So there you go. There's a quick and easy way to add a little bit of style to your bathroom mirror by adding a wallpaper frame around it. Yeah, this looks pretty nice.